Okay, so I got a request to do an ornament. She wants a couple ornaments and she wants blue and green, but she didn't want it done in pink. I mean in paint. So we're gonna use the little discs. I got these from Michael's. They right now Michael's have three buy one pack, get 3 packs free. So you get 100 balls for $20. But I already had these. And I got these confetti from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 bags. It was red in there too. Green, red, and blue. So we're gonna use the green and blue. So I'm just gonna take it off, and you see it gets everywhere. So I'm just gonna put some green down like that, and we're gonna mix it with blue. Like that. So I got it on this little piece of paper so I could try to get it in the ornament a little bit easier. And like this. I'm gonna mix it up soon. I put this top on so it won't get any more places than what it's already at. So we're gonna shake it. And look, the static inside makes it stick to the side. So here we go right here. And I'm gonna send her a picture like this. She might want names on here, and I'll probably do the names in white so it can stand out a little bit better. So here you go. We're gonna do another one because she wanted 2. Some blue, green. Might add a little bit more green to that. They had other colors in the Dollar Tree as well, but she wanted blue and green, and she wanted something different besides paint. You just pull this down. This one stuck like this, and then they go back on easy like that. And we're gonna shake it to mix it. You see it stick. So I'm gonna send her a picture of these to see if she wanted them plain, but I'm gonna send them to her like this so she can see. So she might add a name to them after she see these. But you get a little creative and do different things inside the ornaments. Thanks for watching.